Okay, to translate using Google Sheets, we're going to click in the cell and hit the equals. We can start to type in Google Translate, but it just go ahead and fills it in for us. We'll go over to the cell we want to translate, click it, and there it shows up. A comma, quotations, EN, which is English, quotations, another comma, and then what we want to translate to. In this case, it's ES. We hit enter, and there is our word translated. If we click on the cell and hit the little square and drag down, it'll do everything for us. And there we go. To do French, it's the same process. Type in Google Translate. We'll use FR for France, and for Arabic, AR for Arabic. And there we go. Now we just click and drag, and everything is translated.